I will never look at Handy Andy the same. Don't even talk about Domestos. Thank goodness he never used the miracle mom because I would have been in shambles. Because that's my girl right there. Sana Sabelo, the creator. Bathi, and then yena bese, yo, amukela kwinkqubo yami bomtaba kadade, bomtaba kagogo, bomtaba ka-auntie, bomtaba kasisi. I am Sims and it's at the right Sims on Instagram, so please follow your sister. I also promote businesses and YouTube channels. I'm sorry, I have got you covered. Not a great Monday. I had a funeral this weekend and then we didn't do the video because I was in the protest I need to on Friday, but I did say there won't be a video. I see your guys' DMs like, seems guys, originally, yeah, we were only supposed to post 3 to 4 times a week, but you guys seem like you want me to post every day, every day, every day. And I understand because the scandals are scandaling sana. In the headlines today, content creator, award winning at that, Usabelo, the creator, is being accused of, how do I put this? And guys, some words we can't use because YouTube is very strict with words, with the policy, the guidelines. Ne? I hope you guys just know our Njimtecha vocabulary. Ne? A couple of guys have come forward and have accused Usabelo of violating them in a very harmful manner. And it is said that while they were asleep, they would just wake up in the middle of the night to their jeans and pants being off, and they would feel something touching them behind. And when they turn around, it's Sabelo. And my problem is, it was not just one accusation, but multiple. And on top of that, it is said that this is not a new thing. Are you interested in running an Airbnb? You don't even have to own the property. You don't even have to furnish it. You can just sit back and collect a passive income. Gooks Holdings has got you covered. It's not only forex trading or getting a remote job overseas that can help you collect some coins. No, Gooks can teach you how to make money via Airbnb while not owning a property. All you have to do is just sign up on this form, tell them that you are interested in this, and they will take it further with you. Imagine being a host on Airbnb without a property. Yes, it is possible. And Gooks Holdings has got you covered. So what are you waiting for? I will link everything in the description box down below. Don't get left behind, especially in this economy. If there's a way for you to make money, come on, what are you waiting for? Run down to my description box down below and become a host on what? Airbnb. Now, according to some people that know him from way back when, I'm talking Newcastle days, they said this is nothing new. And these allegations are not surprising to them because way before he was famous, way before he was ever Sabelo the creator, he was known for these actions. I am super, super shocked. I'm in disbelief, because these are not the accusations that you want your name to be attached to. But more than that, it's not just with one person, but multiple people. So what does that say about you? Is it where there is smoke, there is fire? Is it that? And it's the fact that Usabelo is not addressing anything, okay? Because maybe I can understand Guti, he doesn't want to say the wrong thing. He doesn't want to draw more attention to this. But something very suspect is that he is limiting and deleting comments on his social media while actively posting. He is posting still, he's still very much active on social media, but he has limited comments. He doesn't want people to be asking him about this. But people are talking, and how long can you avoid this? Because social media has made the world a global village. And once one thing is said about you and it catches on, it goes from Twitter to TikTok to Instagram to Facebook, wherever you are, it follows you. My problem is, why are multiple people saying this about Yena? You know, my mom always used to say, nine people can't say the same things about you. It means you are the common denominator. Even if he can try and like swindle us some story and in, Sabelo, guys, not that Sabelo, he's never been like someone that I've always like kept my eye on, but I don't know, I just never drifted towards him. His content is cute. I liked his cleaning content, but I don't know, there was just always something about him that just, and it's not that Velity's job to like make him like, some things are for you and some things aren't for you. From the onset, he was just never given to me. I don't know. I just always got this like vibey vibe. I don't know what. And especially when he never like responds or likes or anything in the comment section, but he always wants people to like engage with his content, especially paid promotions. That's the part that I didn't understand. And I think like, I'm like, oh, you want people to constantly push your content, but you can't even reply. You can't even like put a heart like, oh, but Beyonce. So ever since then, even way before that, it's just the handy Andy and I never saw medical mom in the content. So I was like, it's not for me. Once they start using medical mom, maybe, just maybe. But hi son and shook. I don't know what you guys think. Let us talk more in the comment section down below. I'll be back again today with another video because we need to catch up. Guningi against ama influencer guys. Gulo November. Guningi son. Big.
Bad man. Omo, see, yeah, make sense. Type and see, 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 see.